Hi guys, I've got a new parcel today and this is from Mandarake. Right, so remember in my last Angel Philia video I said that I was gonna wait for I didn't order the Kumi one. Well, I think it's a kind of new sculpt, or well, I haven't seen it before, with a bit of like a pearl sleeves, and I said I'm gonna wait for the tan because I had the tan gonna come out. But I thought that it's gonna happen soon, but to be honest, I don't think it's gonna happen anytime soon. So I kind of decided not to lose an opportunity and actually order Kumi, which was available on Mandarake, because the Fate store, they kind of sold out from that completely. And actually, one interesting thing I noticed that, well, probably it's obvious, but because the currencies are slightly different. Obviously, it's in Hong Kong dollars in Face and the Japanese yen in Mandarake, in Japan, obviously, and Mandarake is based in Japan. So the prices, I mean, when you kind of translate it to, well, when you convert it to British pounds, Mandarake was cheaper by probably about, in total, about £150, which was quite surprising. But that's compared to my previous order from Faith. So I got this Kumi. She obviously not in tan, unfortunately, but like I said, she was selling out like not tomorrow, and I was worried they're gonna lose her because I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 Angel Philias now, all different sculpts. I mean, face. The bodies are pretty much, you can kind of customize the bust mainly. So yeah, and I thought I can't lose it, and so if you're interested to see the Kumi, I'm gonna open her now. So it's stock. By the way, it's out of stock now in Mandarake, and another scalp was there, which is oh gosh, what the name? I think it's S type head, which is, I think, is that one. But I can't be certain. It's very old though. So she sold out as well now. And by the way, so if you're interested how much customs I pay, I know problem American people, like, they don't pay customs like in the UK. Lucky them. In the UK it's mad. You can't kind of squeeze anything out. So I paid £78 for just custom fees, and that was cheap. So I'm trying to open the box now. So Mandarake obviously packs in their own boxes, and then the outer boxes. The box which is inside is another just like box like that, which I'm gonna throw this on the floor now, and one of my cats surely gonna enjoy the box. Oh, it's pink. Oh yes, that's pink. So my understanding was that they still, so Angel Philia is also, it's kind of Angel Philia, but they still made by either like Pink Drops or Toto, unless I'm completely confused. By the way, I researched the name Kumi, and it's so it's very, not popular, but popular-ish Japanese name. It's unisex, so it can be used for both male and female, but they have different meaning depending obviously who you assign to, male or female. So for female, it means, so female means beautiful stone of black color. That explains why on the promo picture she all wearing gothic clothes. For male, however, it's mean calm ocean, because I think the hieroglyphs have to be split into two, and so each of them mean, one mean calm, one mean ocean. Here we go, one of the cats under my feet now. That's the kitten which growing like mad, Ginger Fendi. He got his own TikTok. Please join him. He's crazy. righty-ho. So that's the box. That's the box. Okie dokie. I'm gonna show as I open it basically, so I think it's fair. I hope they sent me the right doll, because when I looked at it, this was like this picture. I think it's Emma. It's Emma. I don't want Emma. I think it was Emma. Okay. I do like pink boxes. This is really nice. So, I see. So there is like a pocket, collie pocket for paperwork, I guess. So that's the front, and that's the back. I quite like it. So that's Kumi. She is wearing different clothes to her promo picture. Her promo picture, like I said, she's wearing gothic dress, which is lovely. I like gothic. But the problem with this that you probably have to wash black fabric like a couple of times before you can put it on vinyl, because Angel Philia, as if I mentioned before, stain like crazy. Like they stain because it's just vinyl. Anything you touch it with, even sometimes when you have your nail, basic nail varnish, not the gel or anything, nail varnish, you got it transfers onto the vinyl. I don't know how, even it's sealed and everything. But so this is just I mean, it's your certificate. It says Angel Philia Kumi soft, and I'm just trying to get out. So this is just a certificate. There's some English, some Japanese, some Korean, I think. And she got glass eyes this time. Oh, she got two pairs. So one is actually already inserted, and this pair is black. Oh no, oh wow. So I don't think I'll be able to show that. There is a pupil in there. I don't know if you can see. There is a pupil in there. Oh gosh, how do I do that way? But it's got glitter inside. Oh, I don't know how to show it. It's glass eyes. So usually Angel Philia's got really not very nice eyes. And also got the eye putty. She comes with, okay, so she got flat feet separate here, and means that she got her high heel feet on, which I prefer high heels already, because A, they taller and they stand quite nicely. I mean, on the tiptoes, you know, I think it's cute. And what I found is one of these dolls arrived, okay, so this one, Nana Say, she arrived with the flat feet in situ, and her heeled feet was just enclosed. So I swapped it, but unfortunately I wasn't able to tighten it up because they've got like a screw hold on the bottom, and getting that screw right into the kind of leg itself where the foot should go, like ankle kind of feet, it's impossible. You just can't. You can't see what you're doing, and you kind of, you damage the vinyl basically screwing it in, because you'd be blindly doing that. So I kind of put them on, but I haven't screwed them on, and they still hold all right, no problem actually. Just so a bit of my experience about that. So here we go. It's gonna be obviously doll nudity, and also I wasn't sure what bust she comes in, because when you look on the both face or Mandarake side, you can't see what type bust it is. It doesn't say, it just say H type hips, which is just white hips, which is fine. That's the whole point of Angel Philia. They're kind of curved. But there was nothing about her bust, and I just bought additional bust from Face, quite voluminous, I would say, a full one. So, like I said, it's going to be doll nudity now. Look how cute she is, though. Definitely, I love her lips. Lips actually been detailed this time, because most of the Angel Philia dolls not really detailed. They just got plain lipstick, I would say, without any lip detailing, like lines. But they're just my ones. Maybe other ones are different. I know I'm always looking for now tan Angel Philias. I want tan, but I don't want the one which are all the sculpts you've got. So there's no point really, just duplicates, aren't they? Okay, so she got exactly the same sculpt as was Mona, Nana say, so it's a small bust. C2 probably, or, yeah, C2 I would say, by the looks of it. So, yeah, I mean, everything pretty standard, you know, the hand, she got obviously spare hands with her, which is fisted and open hand, relaxed one. I don't know if you've seen on one of my, I think I posted on Facebook, and I don't think I posted on Instagram yet. I actually blushed, not blushed even, kind of, not what I'm saying, I didn't blush, I'm lying. I made manicure basically, resin. I used UV resin to create a nails, which how to do it, it's available in one of my videos 3 years ago, exactly in August, I think. Well, not August, yeah, 3 years ago. If you find it, it shows how to use a resin doll. It works with vinyl perfectly fine. It's safe. So okay, so what I wanted to do though is to swap her bath. So currently she's with this one. And yeah, she's exactly the same as my other dolls, are recent ones, the newish ones. So the bust which I had for her arrived a couple of days ago, and it's children offered out. It's actually not, my channel is not for children, I told this before, said this before. So that's the bust I ordered for her. Obviously, to compare this to this one is a bit big difference. Okay, so that means I have to take her head off and so on. Right, I'm gonna do it now. I probably lost about half a liter of water now, sweating, trying to assemble that. Okay, so what I noticed, she got slightly different structure inside. Not the actual skeleton, well, it is part of the skeleton. You know the neck part? So the neck part, like this one, but it stuck to her skeleton, like internal kind of structure, like here. It wouldn't come off, so it's obviously kind of all one piece until here. And then I had to disconnect that piece in order to actually remove the old bust, because the neck piece would not move at all. I've got the heat tool here, and that's why I'm hot stuff. I think she looks better with a big bust. Her face saying, oh, a bit sad, but hey ho. Yeah, what do you reckon? Do you think she's better with a big bust or not? Anyway, I'm gonna dress her up, and I'll show you what she's gonna look like and whatever I'm gonna find for her chest piece. I made this set, but the intention of this top was actually for a slightly smaller bust, not flat one, but smaller one. I think still okay. The skirt just fits fine. I just went through all my wigs for Angel Philias, and I did notice, so she's wearing bigger wigs than compared to like Mona, for instance. So she's wearing the same, I think she's 7 to 8 rather than 6 to 7. So the same size head as Nana Say, which is a bigger head, and she's the same, she's a bigger head. So none of my lovely Mona or Karen or the another one actually fit her, so I need to make more wigs then for bigger heads, or use my MSD's one probably, because they're in different drawers, so I need to dig them out. But that's similar wig what I tried on Nana Say, but the color is different. That's alright. It suits her eyes, definitely. Nice. I will probably change her completely, just something to dress her in something. Bless her. Have a good day and see you later. Bye.